have your friend
Yes.
I don't know program क्या है
भाई बात नहीं करेंगे आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे
आप तो आगे से तो हटे ना मैं विजुअल तो बना
अरे ये नहीं कर रहे हैं नहीं प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर रहे आप नहीं कर रहे Thank you.
दिल साहब की एक एक्सक्लूसिव मुलाकात की
I'd love to. I'd love to organize करेगा हमारे लिए Thank you भाई thank you शेरबाज हैं हमारे वहाँ से बलूचिस्तान very long standing
चित्रांश साहब की बच्चा
That is the exact thing that I asked him. What did he just do it?
कैसे How are you doing? So thank you so much for joining. It's very kind. Thank you so much. कैसे आप
Forum proceeding will ceremony. Please join us at the refreshment.
अपना तारुफ करो
The directors of each center and their teams will come to the stage and present their special reports. I will also request the honorable chief guest to present certificates of recognition to respective centers and the demonstration of these. Director Arms Control and Disarmament Center, Mr. Malik Qasim Mustafa and his team. Director, Center of Middle East and Africa, Ms. Anna Khan and her team. Director, Center of Strategic Perspectives, Dr. Neelam Nagar and her team. Director of India Study Center, Dr. Ashad Ali and his team. Director China Pakistan Study Center, that me and my team. And director administration, that is again me and my team, that will include Ms. Saira Das, Associate Editor of the Strategic Studies Journal. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now request you and the Board of Wellness and Dr. Khalid Mahmood and Dr. Guru